How to call GCash customer service. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you are a Globe or TM user, you can go ahead and dial 2882 directly from your phone. This is a toll-free and works best for faster resolutions. But if you are on Smart, TNT or any other network, call 0272139999. Standard call rates may apply depending on your career. Hotline is available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, but scam-related concern gets 24/7 support. Now, if you would like to live chat with Gigi, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your mobile device, and then inside here, you want to go ahead and search for help.gcash.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Chat with Gigi. After that, type in your concern, for example, account lock, refund request, or scam report, and then Gigi will help or connect you to a real agent if needed. And that's it guys, whether you are locked out, need a refund, or suspect fraud, now you know exactly how to get GCash support fast. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.